Samano Penso or the Abraye, dear do sono. Adom TV, Badwam Kase, and I, de Eban Samno, near to your Mubi, Ubertini, Yako Upper West, Montamno, Emwa, or Rebu or one of the Unkoranka Tuan Kwan was Sese Womo, na Akamu Biamene, Yadanaka to a fiasse, Yadisan Samno, Ebebro, na fair futu so called any other stress, such a chef for. At a chef for Danya, may Adumo China, Yadisha Sonobian Fanuhunim. And only Sembina no pay me bro, Adom TV, Badwam Kase, Madam Live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra. A Feoko Go TV, a channel no 119, DSTV, channel no, a 280, YouTube, so Adom TV Tube, Yeshaho, adding in our Jumedi FMU. Medin the affair, Amankwa, Tamaklo. A fear new Demienti said and Semni Chumo and Kasa Etie. Upper West region. Ye wo obema bi ewo ho a won de nkranko amayo ano just wo hu se esketim obefa no asese wo mo wa yesa menne ya bono kwa dudu ni nyina kire se enkoda be edumayo ade wasese wo mo no na fei na nyame eyi ni to ekrata ye de na kopie mu wo wa circuit court ene ye de no eto afiase eye mfieduonu emienu ase mfieduonu nsia Adom TV kase eto so.
On the first docket, he found him guilty on all the 6 counts and sentenced him to 8 years imprisonment with respect to the first count and 7 years on all the other counts, but to run concurrently. And that is a separate docket. The other docket, he convicted him and sentenced him to 7 years imprisonment for the 3 counts. That is another docket. On the third docket, he's convicted and sentenced to 7 years imprisonment. So we have 8 plus 7 plus 7. That is what we now have. So he might be serving about 22 years in prison. That is what happened in court today.
Siwa Wada Bahas Foundation ano Elias Subaba Bahas eni amani boni etwetwe nkomo.
Today is one of a memorable day I will never forget. I will never forget because many thought that it was going to be a failed decision. I took the bold step to step in and fight for justice for these children.
Charity Baturi, Upper West Penin Quanchirafo, I will share Department of Gender so. Nonsense some of the two Yamani Buni Enimuno Eni.
It's been a form of deterrent to all others and even more collaboration within the community. I think this case has brought up a lot of issues that we need to work together as a society so that we can achieve the common goal of having a safe space for our children. They are children, let's allow them be children. Let's not take away their innocence. Let's not damage their destiny even before they start to look out for that destiny.
Yame ya duma da ya wada ye chine Ghana kan wiasen kaye nyina ho na ya chechefo ya bo won mo abaso adwuma den ya won mo ayeye nei won mo guso ye nanumu no na Ghana National Association of Teachers ode eto achechefo nyina nim so bia mfane hunyim ebrebi etwa mo bekan ye se sika binum ni ade aban anya ma wo mo enye National Teachers Day no nanso ne aban aye ne hihye enti wasaba ede ato wo manim so bia mfane hunhyem achechefo abasobodi eda Adom Kase eto so.
The issue press statement be say if by the close of September end na say 44 Ghana cedis 55 pesos buying the heduma any 20% in under 20% gross salary payment in the same area so much and the world teachers day me person me first time kan we so e ka kire na mo fidie so e ka kire acheche form say ni aban ekosi nkonya na edin sa wo so na ye die no 544 Ghana cedis 55 pesos no aban ade atum so obetua enti no dedi kan say October no obetua half o ma chemu mienu enti October end no half sabe kan mo de and November ending on half an account. Now 20% gross salary of the basic salary of the teacher now a kind and also you do and you know you can't at a trade phone and say well teachers day you know be unfunny when she as I say a buying idea or see ayo esa so aka so betua ye kan ya ka ho sam de aseminti no ye pese ye na mo fidie so e ka cha chefo nyina se nyina inform she well teachers day no e won local e wo baby school bia wo district bia wo community bia wo so wo regional wo district baby wo bia up to the national level obi amfa no nhemu bi the yen celebrity day no esanse eheda esanse aban so aka je chiska no ombetua o mama timelines half e betua no October the other half no betua won November.
October bosumede toso emiensa na sukufo a wokọ ahomegye mu a vacation no won mo ahyase na nkramantam yi mu no Adom TV kase abo aproko emiamia ahodo schools ahodo bi mu ekohwe ye first day at school no Adom TV etwaso
enda na yebu school officially na ye de achede ye de komma won a waba school dem da no e ba sa encourage won na want to school mu bibia no bebe school ehwe nda dwumedi a ye ba ya tofe ka ho pencil ka ho book ka ho eraser ka ho biscuit ka ho calipo epeso na niam nketenkete bia mama mofra no wani beje abofra no ba school first no obotuye yi no wo wie so efi o kire ko yina so enso oba school so a oba man dian free
eno achievement sniper in power Blakuma North Kofi Ofori ehye bose obeso assembly no asene wa akonu ase nyina mu se be ya adesua betimi akonkan
na yesra wo for so amoso moa mankwara na ni nka school awofo bi wo ham de mo mani ba school a ode ne du kwan so anu asan aden akwara na isu akwara bi eni ho a onsu eyina ko school yesu ye wie ye pepa awofo ne chew o de ode ne ba nyaare hye bi so ode na be se teacher for nsa on be hwe no fine enti memma waso eni akiri obu awo ha no wa tamba say me kwara mi gya no osu ana the following day obeko fie ko bi say eno kwa no osu nya ma ne hwa ye hye eno mo ne dia awofo ne moae so mbe man kwara na ni akasu
Greater Accra Regional Coordinator Lillian Biker and Sony Adom Kase etwetwe sankomoyi.
We are supposed to monitor and coordinate, so we are going to do our part by coordinating and monitoring and making sure that whatever the children need, they provide it for them.
Sabaye na ngumasua bamani muso wo Wamponsem Senior High School no nti ne make say PT mpanifo wo mo ede nkonyanom ne ade akọ school no mo sabaye beboa ama school fo nso benya adwenfan de atena school demo asuade
Jenlechi nemo yeni de potoka se weka no friends wo no ndi yan awofo ni afatu yo so ndi enche bia be say to ho anamo na ya hyase se ye to friends wo no eno so efi ho a PT no awofo gabom ko le hyase ese yesi dan bi ama maya na demudu na hoden no akofom ndi edumadi no kofom kakra ndi sei no so yesa kekan ho abom na ya somchu
Grace Ampon ene yesuku no panimpa wo gina wanemu agye nkonwan o hyebo se suku no behweso yie se beye be kyare de ama wo mo nanso adesuafo ohia enema bi ti se ensuo ya wo pesa nkrankra no nyumeku awodo eba ebeso wo mo asene
no no ache nti no se yenya dan ne bi ka ho a ebebo se classroom ene dormitories na dan no so no se ne PHM man kan no school no ye ti school ni fie die sia mienu nti dan no aye adada nti dormitory yenya boys dormitory ebebo aye girls dormitory na so wo mu besiesie no so mo dum ye besiesie maye
Enra Adom kuma womra shebedwa fie mu ene Ghana fo bi kobo nsesen wo Central Bank and as Bank of Ghana woni mu ho na nyina no ye Bank of Ghana adwompo a wom so mba besi headquarters fofra Adom kuma susu senya sabre a ho kire wo man mu Adom TV amaneboni nana ya wasante etwaso
Monkrofo and amuye demonstration the monfa no we are not demonstrating against the IGP anything a young police headquarters. We are not demonstrating against the Minister of Environment, anything a young Ministry of Environment. We are demonstrating against the Governor of Bank of Ghana. One mismanaging the bank. One man and what man yesika sema drop. And the only way baby awate is the Bank of Ghana premises. And that is where we have to go and let him understand. Say, you're not happy with ne management skills.
Security zone. Bank of Ghana says here every day. I have been mayor of Accra before. And the Bank of Ghana have always been in existence where it is. We walk there, we drive there, we pass there every day. We are the same Ghanaians who are going there today. What is breaking security about that? What is it? Say we are aimless in Pitare.
Na kanyankopɔn na famu de bana kufuado de na akokam na akokamu nso a kakra na aka no wo ma wi ama na ka ne dompe na Ghana ya bra boni akweso dompe we na ma ho nyina kufuado awe joint ne nso a wakeka sa ma dompe ne yasa kidney disease ene kokram yare omo ya kokram yare nyina no first no ko hospital a ya je 300 Ghana ene unkra 700 Ghana untimi kosa kokram yare hospital kokram yare so akawa oko hospital 3 times a week eti onyani ya bansa ekuya mansa ya ayi kofi menu wa yare kidney disease woji say ene obetimi survive.
But for me the principle is this. Yeah, no, yeah, ma abayan who say, Yantinas Emma, woman, ma, Ghana Sikani, na, and Koshe, a Binum Botoma, woman, Sissy, a dine wall, a brochure baby. Sika was a DCS, Mano. Yati, year of roads 1, and a year of roads 2. So, 2 coins, I'll go around the crowd, we'll go around Ghana. Bisa who say, sad number of kilometers now, one more Bobosono, and we're here. A point almost almost yes, you know, and we're here.
Asante Adom TV.
Wasansem na mu no minority leader ora atoforsen so ese won ene Ghana fo no a wani abre peso yi governor no efri ho Dr. Nurse Yedu Adesen no de enye se bia no ana na esie kosi se wo mo ebeje won krata na yi na efri ho no de wo mbegusu abo ho no Adom kase etwaso.
Wing Commander Kwame Asaruanti, retired director, and also a councillor. So, like I said, now that we want to congratulate you for the peaceful demonstration that we were informed that you'll be coming to present the petition to the government. And the 3 governors, as we speak, are currently meeting with the IMF in the meeting, and there's nobody there. So the government has asked that I meet you and take the petition on his behalf.
Urano edena no si ya pe ena panyina wadadom kuma na no ewo mrahye bedwa mu keselato forcing editu dwa se wonom edi governor no ho ya pa se emfa ho se wonom editu nanim so ono akasa no wopesen sem wo kuchire gu nkrata so wode mano no obu wonum animtia wamma nanso wonom eden nkrata no ebeko na wonom assign dia basan se ono akasa nsem en wopese wode san nkrata no ehye.
We will go and come back again. We will come back here again. And we will come back and demand to see him in person. The crowd you've seen is just the beginning. We will come back again. And I assure you, trust me, we'll come back again. He should better come in here. If he thinks that the IMF is more important than the Parliament of Ghana, if he thinks that the IMF is more important than the people of Ghana, he's here because of the people of Ghana and not IMF.
Baba wa papa bia wonya mfie aduasa numu a ne house boy ekum no ene adokota fo papa no wo mahunu se abayiwa no utumi hunu se kwabrane de niam bobo ni trimo pa ne yefunu na se ho no musade wanyeja no kra no ka hunti ene ne wato na nanom se do a Adom TV kase ekọ Asokore Mampon District Magistrate Court ho edin semi etuja.
Autopsy reporter wonom edekodan Asokore Mampon Mensini Magistrate Court enne ehine mebosome de tosomiensa afimpinu ene aduonum yensan mu no emu ene wo kire yenam so a ewura wanya mfie aduasanu mu a osusu said house help ekum no wo fa so ewuye Stella Osia nipa dodo nanim so fe Princess Efua Ahenkan enya prekura ahodo bebre ewo ne tirimu ene ne yafunu mu e wa abra wode ne ti ebo dan mu na wode sekan so ewo ne yem empem bibiri wode Alesta eni owura ba ko kan ho ani din ene James Anoche wanya mfie aduonu nso a woye shenkani akogina asɛmdi bia wo pɛsɛ wo hunu kwan yɛ fa so a maami ɛhwere ne nkwa ɛwɔ sokoman apa so ɛwɔ ne fie ɛbɔbo someda na ɛtɔ so du baako afimpinu ene aduonu miɛnsan mu owura yi ɛbɔbo someda na ɛtɔ so na afimpinu ene aduonu miɛnsa ene wo kɔpɛ adwuma ɛwɔ maami ne fie hɔ no mo a da wonya adwuma na de kyen ya ɛna wo susu sɛ wo kun maami ɛwɔ ne fie ɛwɔ kumase apolisifo ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ sanse owura no ehunu sɛ wo bia ene fie hɔ no mo na maami ɛba a wanya mfie du baako na wo kɔ school ɛna wo fa saa kwanya na wonam so ekum maame no apolisifo ɛda ne de sɛ ebra Lista edi sa nipa bɔnefo sɛm no ewieye no ɛna wɔto ne nsa frɛ James Anoche ɛne owura baako a ne din ɛne Collins ɛne ɔfoforo a wɔka ho ɛma wɔba maame fie hɔ no mo a ne Kia Spontage and registration number ɛyɛ GS 307-21 Samsung mobile phone ɛmo anwa ɛne nneɛma bi ɛka ho no wɔnom fa edwane ye numu ɛne wɔnom dwane ba enkran hanom a wɔnom ebehunu ɔfoforo a wɔfrɛ no Bigi ɛma wodi wɔnom anim a wɔkɔtɔn wɔhyɛn no ɛma Christian Obu ya wɔnom so sesei wedwane.
But he has pleaded guilty. He has now been convicted of the offense, the 2 counts, the mobile phone and the amount of their money. But the sentence has been deferred to Friday for sentence. As the facts being read to the court there's no way he could deny the charge. So he himself thought it wise to admit his guilt in order not to waste the prosecution's time.
Electoral Commission abato dinchochro no a womode eto hono defo aduonu ba kono de wono awie eye limited voter registration no na wokọ brekun no ne ade a adehia wo matwe wo mu din de course obi ni Adom TV edin komwe.
From the first day, exercise, I cannot thought it has been so successful, so peaceful, no heckling and those kind of things. Challenges be anywhere, etimi I hold the system. Now, I say, yentimi end to us so.
Nanso Emrashebedwani Joseph Kwame Nkrumah echiremu se said the abato commission here no nti no manfo akoni abedi ho kanyina ababeto wonso.
Social media say me yonko MPB e complain say aboye kano eye nyokre won narrow it down to Kentampo. I can tell you on authority party nunkwa level as party yakabom ayempanyimfo kra so yase no 46,000 is gone as at there. Me as MP, apart from contributing to the 46,000 no, I am telling you authority say menkwa me fie menkwa ni amanfa nka party de ho a obi ba wonti menkwa akoda me fie ye accommodate omo ye aduane ma omo 15,000 is gone.
Enipa bia wokotwere wondin so de sansemi etudwa
intimate aba ebia your beba be tena kunya no so ba power menya me district
Sarah Kamika, when you saw I'm from Bombay, I said,